Astra is a WordPress theme designed for speed and ease of use. Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. Together, they let you build websites quickly without coding. Install both from the WordPress plugin repository. Astra is Elementor ready, so no extra setup is needed. Activate Astra's customizer for global settings like fonts and colors. Then use Elementor to design your pages visually. Elementor's editor lets you drag widgets onto your page. Simply select text, images, or buttons from the panel and place them where you want. Astra offers free starter templates that integrate perfectly with Elementor. Choose from blog, portfolio, or landing page designs to get started quickly. Customize Astra's site-wide elements, like headers and footers, through the theme settings. This applies changes globally across your site. For individual pages, use Elementor's editor to customize specific content. Adjust text styles, colors, and layouts as needed. To get the most out of this setup, dive into Astra's theme settings and use Elementor's tutorials. They provide guidance for advanced features. Together, Astra and Elementor offer a powerful no-code solution for web design. Build beautiful sites without writing any code.